In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Telegram. It's going to be a quick tutorial video, so ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. It's going to be a quick tutorial, right? So this works both on PC and on smartphones. Head over to your Telegram account. You can see I think I previously kept in touch with this Telegram user, right? And let's say if I have in mind to like just block him, right? So before you do this, ensure you have some good intentions, right? So I'm not recommending you just come on and block people randomly. It won't be nice, right? So for you to do this, you're gonna see this three dotted icons, right? You click on it. You're gonna see this, right? Once you click on it, it will automatically happen, right? So I think I'm not gonna do this because I'm just making an educational video. So this is how you can basically do that if you love to do that for any reasons, any personal reasons, any specific reasons, any reasons you have in mind. So this is how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.